Equipment preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
Press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear the beep sound.
Reset successful.
How to view by app. Firstly, scan code to download FC's app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add the device by app. Smart connection. Open the FC's app. It will pop up the device, click Add to. Select the Wi-Fi you need to connect to. Input the Wi-Fi password. Set a name for the device, click Confirm. AP Hotspot Edition. First, click plus to scan the QR code on the body. Click the top right icon to switch to another way to add. Check Connected and tap Next. Connect to your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Confirm it. Join the Wi-Fi. Install the camera. For higher windows, clean the window surface and peel off the protective film from the mounting sticker. Then press the sticker firmly onto the window glass, ensuring it's fully adhered and smooth. Attach the front of the camera to the sticker, making sure the power port is facing downward. Stick the cable clip in a suitable spot to hold the charging cable in place. The installation methods for the other two mounting stickers are as shown in the video.